Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long term or the monthly chart of gold futures, and let me tell you that this is in USD. So if you are looking at this chart, what you can see here is gold futures has tested multiple times the big resistance of 2011 that it has made, and it was near I think, let me show it to you. So it was near $1900. So here we are. Okay, so this was your resistance of 2011, 1920, 1930, and since 2020 it has tested this level multiple time, 1 2 3 4. So if you are thinking that the big trend is already over and it is not now going to come down, in that case, let me tell you one thing: you need to look at this trend 1 2 3 4, or you need to think about this move multiple times before taking any decision, because there is something very unique and very interesting is indeed happening as far as the long term chart of gold futures is concerned. And if you miss this opportunity, you will definitely going to regret it. Why I am saying this? We are going to analyze the trend and I'll explain you the same. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now if you are looking at this move, what you can see that from the lows of 2001 till 2011, so it is a century move, beg your pardon, a decade or a decade long move that has happened irrespective of 2008 crash and whatsoever, in which case the gold futures moved 655%, and then it's been a consolidation. And right now what you can see is a technical pattern which is called cup and handle. Okay, so here we can see the big cup formation, right? The big cup formation, as you can see here, and you will see the handle, right? This is the handle, and in this case let me just reframe this one, reframe the levels, and then you can, yeah, so here we are. So it is almost same, so no issues. So here we are. So this is the cup and this is the handle. Now I think it is clear in front of you. The trend must be very clear. So in this kind of cases, whenever a breakout happens above the handle, which means whenever the breakout happens beyond 2081, the big trend will resume. Now where it's going to lead us is the big question. So I hope you are clear with this trend or this particular pattern. So let me remove these particular things. Now as far as the big trend is concerned, the way I am analyzing, I need not to do all these things because my way is completely different, and it is way more simple, so that most of the people can understand what I am saying. Now if you are looking at the trend, it is simply saying something like this. Okay, so it is simply saying something like this, in which case, as you can see, this is the lower end of the range, and as far as the upper end of the range is concerned, without stretching it out, even without stretching, this is what we have here. I am not stretching this trend, let me tell you, otherwise it will be way more higher than one can think right now. So if you are looking at this particular trend, you can see something like this. Okay, so this is what we have here as far as the trend is concerned. Otherwise, if I stretch this one, it will look something like this, and it's going to be way higher than one can think, but I don't want to draw that scenario. So as far as the simple trend is concerned, what we have here is 1749 or 1750 on the downside. That's what we need to make sure, that the price chart of gold futures is holding above 1750. And if it does so, in the long term, the big trend, in the upcoming years, the big trend that we are looking at will be in between $5,000 and $8,000 on the upside. So this is what we are looking at as far as the big trend is concerned, and hopefully it has started, because if I calculating the move from the lows of 2001 till 2011, it is saying 657%, and if I calculate the move from the lows of 2018, then a move of 600% or 650% rather will stretch the target, and the big target will be in between $5,700 and $9,000 on the upside. So this is what we are looking at as far as the big or long term trend of gold. Now if you are thinking why it will happen, what will be the reasons, so you better wait for the reasons, because I am not. Things are not working on reasons. Things will work, and if you know how to enter into the trend or how to exit into the trend, that's where most of the decisions taken out. Okay, what we need to make sure that gold future must not fall below 1750. If it does fall, then we will wait again for the trend to move higher and close above 1750. If it does, then we have a big or long term trend in the years to come, and I have explained you the same. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.